one day. Leo and Yuri was watching a show. Was watching some show. No, 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 Yuri, what the heck you got me? Watch. What is this show? Your favorite show? Anyway, is this show your favorite show? This is not no dead Cocomelon. I watch Cocomelon and eat some goldfish all day. This is not what I usually do. Why do I have to do this? I thought we were off for winter. Thought we were off for winter break. Yes, we are off for winter break, but we have mission. I'm pretty sure we completed that mission. I wonder if boss has another mission for us. I hope not. Anyways, I wonder what Ava's doing. She's probably out with Melody and Cassie. I'm pretty sure Cassie is still sad from the breakup with Jaden. Yeah. I mean, Cassie. Well, Jaden. Well, basically Jaden. Basically, Jaden broke up with Cassie for Melody. So yeah, and what was I gonna say? And yeah, by the way, we're home alone, so yeah, I'm still mad about that time with Ava had, you know, had when Ava had kissed Melody and said that she was her girlfriend now. Wait, I think boss is about to come. Hey, my juicy gumdrops. I see how it's been going. By the way, you know I'm watching you on the cameras. By the way, I have some breaking news for y'all. Y'all need to kill these little cats called Uwu cats. They're disgusting. They're all over my house right now. I mean, I'm hiding in my closet. And I don't know why the heck I found a tutu in the closet. But I stole my baby's pacifier. Cause yeah, don't ask why. And yeah. Oh I go. Oh, save yourself! Save yourself! What the signal was that? He left the camera on. A hex not. Oh my gosh, please do not left the TV on. Oh my gosh. I let these kids see this, are they gonna figure out? They're gonna see what the hell. Hey guys, I'm here. What the hell y'all watching? Definitely not up. Yeah, that's definitely not up on YouTube. I watch it. How the hell y'all get YouTube on the T? No, what the hell is going on? Y'all better turn this off right now. I'm gonna